This video is going to walk you through on how to complete your sports medicine packet on the Sportsware online platform. If you are a first-year student athlete at St. Mary's College of Maryland, you must create your profile. If you are a returning student athlete, you will just need to log in and complete the necessary forms. For first-year St. Mary's College of Maryland student athletes, to create your account, you must scroll down on the login page where it says Athlete Parent and click on Join Sportswear. You will then enter the school ID, which is SMCM Seahawks. Hit Next. You must then enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and your SMCM email address. You must then select a group in which you're either a varsity sport, if you are competing on an NCAA sanctioned team, or club sports student athlete. After you enter that information, hit Next. Verify the information you entered is correct and hit Finish. You will then get a pop-up message. A notification is going to be sent to the Sports Medicine Department at St. Mary's College of Maryland to verify your account. Once your account has been verified, you will get an email. In that email, there will be a link to create your password. If you are a returning student athlete, you do not need to create an account. All you have to do is enter your login credentials with your St. Mary's College of Maryland email address and log in. If you do not remember your password, you can use the reset password/forget password link. Once logged in, you will be taken to the home screen on your account. There you will have 3 steps you will need to finish to complete your sports medicine packet. First step is to enter your personal information into Sportsware. Click on the My Info on the left-hand side of your screen. Go through each of the pages and ensure your information is entered and accurate in the required information fields. Under the General tab, you must enter your first name, last name, SMCM ID number, which is a 6-digit number and might begin with STU, Social Security number, grad class, gender you identify as, date of birth, online access email, which is your SMCM email address, cell phone number, and the sport of which you play and a group. Under the Address tab, you must enter your home mailing address, city, state, zip code, country, and cell phone number. Under Emergency tab, you must enter 2 emergency contacts. For each contact, you must enter their first and last name, your relationship to them, their address, home phone number, and email address. If you do not have a home phone number, please enter the cell phone number in for both the home and cell phone number. Under the Insurance tab, you will need to enter the name of the insurance company you were covered under, the mailing address and phone number of the insurance company, which is usually listed on the insurance card, the policyholder's first and last name, and date of birth. This is usually a parent who you get the insurance coverage from, and the member ID and policy or group number when applicable, and the type of the insurance. You can either take a picture or a scan of the front and back side of your insurance card separately. Click on the Choose File. Select the file from your device of the front side of your insurance card, and click Add button next to the front, and the picture of the front of your insurance card will upload. Repeat this process for the back side of your insurance card. Please make sure to upload only JPG, PNG, or PDF format pictures only. Devices like iPhones tend to take pictures in HEIC format and must be converted to JPG, PNG, or PDF format. The Medical tab is optional to be completed if you have the information and would like to enter it. You do not need to complete the Alerts tab. Click Save at the top once all required fields are completed. If you get a message stating required fields are missing, you have not completed all required fields and must go back and complete any of the missing required fields to complete your personal information of the sports medicine packet. Next is to complete the forms. Click on the Forms tab on the left-hand side of your screen. All the forms that must be completed will appear on this form screen. You must complete the sports medicine packet, insurance holder signature page, and SMAT1 form. To complete a form, click Select next to the form name and click Open. Once it is open, read the form and complete all required sections. Required sections are highlighted in red. Please make sure you are reviewing all the fields in blue as they are not required by everyone, but they might be applicable to you. All forms will be reviewed and returned back to the student athlete if they are not completed correctly. Make sure you complete all pages of the form, and once the form is completed in its entirety, click on the Save Validate on the top. You will then click Continue to Signing. You will then ensure the form is complete and click Continue to Signing on the top. Enter your name as the person electronically signing the form. Check that you acknowledged that you are electronically signing the form and click Sign and Submit. You will get a pop-up message confirming submission. You should get a message at the top of the screen stating form signed and completed if the form was properly completed and has been submitted. If you do not get this message, please make sure the form is completed properly and in full and redo the submission process. This process must be completed for all required fields. Please note that the student athlete must electronically sign all forms except for the insurance holder signature page, which must be electronically signed with the name of the person who holds the insurance plan, which is typically a parent or guardian. The parent or guardian uses the student athlete's Sportsware account to review and complete the form and enter their name for the electronic signature, not the student athlete. Once all forms have been completed and submitted, the last step is to upload your sports physical. If you are a first year or transfer student athlete attending their first year at St. Mary's College of Maryland, you must also upload sickle cell solubility test results indicating your sickle cell status. To upload these forms, click on the Add button under the Forms section. You must have a picture or scan of your sports physical and sickle cell status lab results saved to your device. Click the Choose File from button and select the scan from your picture from your device. You then enter the title of the form, which is either Sports Physical with a calendar year or sickle cell status. Click OK, and you should return to the forms page where the upload form now appearing with your forms. For the sports physical, please be sure to use the St. Mary's College of Maryland sports physical form for your doctor to complete and sign, which can be downloaded from the athletics webpage under sports medicine. For a form to be accepted as a sports physical, the form must be signed by a qualified medical provider and must clearly state that the student athlete is clear for sports and physical activity. For the sickle cell status lab results, please ensure the sickle cell test that was performed is a solubility test and that the uploaded results page clearly displays the student athlete's name and sickle cell status of the student athlete. Once all these steps are completed, your sports medicine packet will be reviewed by the sports medicine department and you will be contacted directly if there are any missing information or corrections that need to be made.